Hi, I'm John Hinchy, a consultant with Logan Consulting, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable your Dynamics 365 for Outlook app in preview mode in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales. In newer versions of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales, you may have noticed some updates. One update you may have noticed is that the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook is missing from your regular pane. From the Sales dashboard, when you click down, we click on Settings, you can see that we have it here because I have it enabled. But if you've just recently upgraded to version 9.0, you may not see this. There's a quick way around this. Microsoft has moved this app back to preview mode to finish updates on it before they release it for general visibility. To update this, go to Settings, Administration, and click System Settings. From here, move all the way down to the right and you see the Previews tab. This has some of the things that are in preview mode. First click I have read and agree to the license terms to enable your buttons. Now you can choose things like organization insights, business process flow, entity customization support. But to enable the app, click on the Mail app preview from no to yes. You can also see relationship insights are down here too. But this one is the most important. Once you click this, click OK, and then refresh your screen, and then you'll see it down here. From here, you can go into Dynamics 365 and enable your app and add your necessary users to Outlook. For all of your Microsoft Dynamics consulting needs, please visit our website at loganconsulting.com. Email us at info@loganconsulting.com or call us at 312-345-8800.